You know that's right.
What's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the board. Okay, it's your girl, China E, coming to you live once again with yet another one. All right, so I want to talk to you guys today about about FusionCash.com. That is FusionCash.com. All right, so basically Fusion Cash is absolutely one of the best pay per task sites to ever do it. So basically, you get paid to do the things that they want you to do on their site, which is watch videos, clicks, do the paid surveys, do some offers if you can, and stuff like that. But they definitely pay more per task. Okay, so basically, they pay through PayPal, direct deposit, not only PayPal, but they pay through PayPal, direct deposit, and only spot, on the spot. So you can get paid to call places like mystery shops, but without the buying. You'll be asking questions. So they also do secret shop as well, but through phone calls and not going to any restaurants or places of that nature. So you'll also get paid for watching videos, paid to click, listen to the online radio stations, and way much more. It's totally free to sign up, and the best of it all, you get $5 as well when you do sign up. So you'll get a complimentary $5 just for signing up. Okay, when you do join. So at least here they put some skin on the bones when it comes to earning, to good old gas money, food money. Definitely one to have. No waiting. Once you're happy with what you earn, you can cash out. There's no threshold as well. So there may be put in place now, but maybe not. But if it is a threshold, then you'll find out when you sign up, and you'll have no problem meeting their threshold as well. Okay, so let's see here. What else? Okay, so basically that's it for that. So yeah, you don't have to wait to get paid. You just have to meet the threshold if they do have one in place. When I first signed up 2 years back, they did not have one. So I guess, some of these sites will act as accordingly and be like one another and try to do what the other is doing. So they may have one. Just check it out. That's FusionCash.com. FusionCash.com. Okay, so you guys check that out and put that in your piggy bank arsenal, in the more sophisticated bunch, to where you're making a little bit more money without all the struggle and hustle and bustle. Okay, so yeah, I don't like those long surveys either. They really frustrate me and taking up all my time, asking me all those questions, getting up in all of my life and stuff. I don't like the surveys. I don't do too much surveys. They claim is to center products around you or services that you may like or be interested in, but they asking too many personal questions. Really, too personal, to the point where it's like, I don't even want to do this survey no more. Forget this survey. I don't even want to do this no more. They're asking me something too personal, and then they're putting politics in some of these surveys out here. Not saying this site does that, but I'm just saying in general with the surveys, especially like ones from Mechanical Turk that be asking you all these questions. It's like, if I say this, will this come back on me in this little research, and, have these little officials after me and stuff just because I put this or that. I don't want to be a target for them. I don't do surveys. Ain't my thing. It's for people who like to do surveys and who like doing questionnaires and who love just spending their time having them up. There's people who love it. Okay, and don't mind asking their tedious questions. Okay, so at the end of the day, just know surveys take a long time. But at the end of the day, you will receive the money for your time. Well, for the survey, not for your time. You will receive the money for the survey and just move on to the next. Okay, so that's FusionCash.com. Check it out. FusionCash.com. They have way more in store to offer you to make money. So I suggest you guys hit them up and get started because they have a lot more in their website which you could take advantage of and make some more money. Okay, so definitely hit this site up. You can get to $40 quicker, okay? Because some of these sites, it take a minute just to get the $5 unless they give it to you. But some of these sites take a minute to get that money. So with them, it doesn't take that long. That's all y'all gonna know. It don't even take that long. Okay, so that's FusionCash.com, FusionCash.com. Okay, so remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl Chena E out here on these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And always know there's more in store for you guys. So stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.
You know that's right.